In this tutorial, I'm going to share a step-by-step process that you can follow in order to install WordPress on your HostGator account so that you can start building your WordPress website. And it is very easy, especially since you are using HostGator. Installing WordPress is really very easy. That's one of the things I love about HostGator. They make everything very easy. And without any delay, I'm going to share my screen and we can get started. Okay, the very first thing is to log into your HostGator account. When you log into your HostGator account, after you buy your hosting and domain name, you are going to land on this page. If you don't have a hosting account or if you don't even have a domain name, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video that you can follow in order to buy a domain name and sign up for a hosting account. When you are logged into your HostGator account, the first thing is simply come to websites. Okay, when you are on this page, if you have other websites, you are going to see them right here. But if you don't have any website, this is going to look empty. And the first thing is simply click on Add Site. Okay, since we want to install WordPress, you make sure you choose this, Install WordPress, and you click on Continue. And this is where you are going to write the title of your website. For the sake of example, I'm going to just write my name. And then you can click on Continue. Your site name is going to be the title of the website that you are going to build. And right here is where you are going to connect a domain name. If you already buy a domain name, you write your domain name here. For example, my domain name is sadiqumar.com, so I'm going to write it. You can see they give an example here, like example.com. So you write your domain name. But since I don't want to install WordPress on a new domain, I'm just going to use a temporary domain. You write your domain name and you click on Continue. And just give it a few minutes and WordPress is going to be installed on your website. When WordPress finish installing on your website, you are going to see the website in the list of websites that you already have. So I'm going to give it a minute. Okay, when it finish, you are going to see it right here. You see right now it said installing WordPress. So it might take a minute, just let it finish what it is doing. And when it finish, you can simply go ahead and start working on your WordPress. And let's just take an example of this website. When it finishes, it's going to look like this. So the first thing you need to do is log into the WordPress dashboard and set your username and password. And you can simply do that by clicking Edit Site. Right here, Edit Site. When you click, it is going to open on a new tab. Okay, this is your WordPress dashboard. And when you land on this page, the items on this sidebar are going to look different if your website is brand new, because the items on this sidebar are going to be influenced by the plugins that you already have. The first thing is just set your username and password, and you can do that by coming to users. If you come scroll here, you see users, you go to all users, and you are going to see yourself as an admin, as the user of the website. So you can simply click on edit. So you can scroll down and you can set your username right here, and you can set your email address, and you can also set a new password. When you click on set a new password, you can set a password that you can use. So you save your username and your password. Then you can simply scroll. You can just go through these items and make changes, make sure everything is right, and you click on update profile. And that will be it. You have your WordPress dashboard set off. If you want to log into your WordPress dashboard, you don't have to come back to HostGator. All you need to do is just go to the domain name that you have. The domain name of this website is a remote outfit. So you just add a slash and add wp-admin. When you add wp-admin, you just click enter. So this is how the login page looks like. If you write your web domain name /wp-admin, you are going to land on this login page. So you just write your username or email address and you add the password that you added, not the login information for HostGator account. You are going to add the login information for WordPress, the one that we just set up. And when you click login, you are going to get back to your WordPress dashboard. So this is how you can install WordPress and you can log into the back end of your WordPress dashboard. The next thing is start building your website, and you can watch this next video to learn how you can install plugin on your website and start really building web pages for your new website. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.